All right, I want to walk you through trading with divergences with Elite Algo because when you're trading divergences just by itself, it could be very, very tricky, especially when you're a new trader. But the Elite Algo Oscillators is designed to give you divergences that maybe you wouldn't see with the naked eye, or divergences off the price data that you definitely wouldn't be able to see with the naked eye. And you'll be able to trade these divergences and be able to have more efficient opportunities in the markets to where you can trade, have fun trading, and most importantly, be more profitable at trading. So this is the way that I look at it. We're going to actually go to a random chart. I'm just going to pick it random, just so to kind of show you, what we're looking at. And then we're going to show you exactly how to set it up. With the Elite Algo Premium indicator itself, all I'm doing is we're going to go ahead and use a simple dashboard, and we're going to make sure it's small. And then as far as sensitivity, we're going to go to 1.3 sensitivity. I'm going to leave the candle colors on, leave the enable swing highs, swing lows on. So with that, that's going to adjust the Elite Algo. You can kind of adjust it, just numbers to what you like, what you see works for you. But what I like to do with the divergences is, one, I want to find divergences that give me leading indications of a trend continuation. So if I have a downtrend, so like a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, and in that downtrend, I am seeing where price is going up, to its next lower high. I want to see divergence happen between the last lower high and the potential new lower high. So, for example, you see a bearish divergence on this part. So you see that you have a lower high here, and then you have another lower high here, and you see that the divergences are happening with this. And this is a hidden divergence because it's harder to see with the naked eye, but that shows you a level of divergence. Now, as far as entries, you can do a couple of different things. You can go into just trading off of the price action, so seeing this long wick either here or here with a bit of good indication, or with us going back in time, you probably wouldn't be able to see the support resistance because right now we're kind of not in the live market. But if it was the live market, you can use the support resistance right here and enable auto support resistance. You can click that and you can see that probably this area right here, and I'll show you that this area right here was a major price point. So you have that divergence coming in here, and then you have this major price point, and that reaction on that price point giving you a great indication of price changing up, and you can be able to trade off that price divergence. So you could use another confluence with it, or another thing that you can do, let me delete this part, is you can also see how you have the lower high form. Now the lower high is going to take maybe a candle or two after the chart to be able to see it. So it pops up after it confirms the lower high. You can also switch to candles and see it as well. But a lot of times with Elite Algo, I like to use the Hikanashi because it flows better with Elite Algo. But if I go to candles, you see that it'll still read those divergences. So you'll still have those divergences here. Now, notice that you have a difference in how many divergences happen based off the candle. You see with the Hikanashi candle, it does pull up more divergences because it's able to read price data differently because of the way the candle's forming. So just something to look out for. So when I see that, I'm able to trade off of that and be able to execute on those different divergences. So all you have to do is just wait for the divergence, you want a bearish divergence in a downtrending market. You want a bullish divergence in an uptrending market. And from there, you can add whatever confluences you like as a trader to build upon your analysis and get better trades. It's really as simple as that. So I hope this helps. If you don't have access to Elite Algo, there's definitely going to be a link in the description. That way you can get access to it. You'll also be able to get access to the current promo codes that Elite Algo has with my link. So make sure you use it. And I'll see you at the next video.